let's take a quick walkthrough on how to complete the geography skills practice. So when you first get the slide deck, you also want to make sure that you have the paper handouts that you got in class, because they not only have an important schedule on them, so you know exactly what you're supposed to be doing on what day, but so that you know what you have prepared for the next day. So this how-to guide, you're always going to want to stop and read the directions on any slide deck that any teacher gives you, because you want to make sure that you know what you're doing so you do it right. So I'm going to walk through how to do this. So this is our grading platform this year, and this is also color coded. So we are standards-based grading on a 5 scale. So if you earn a 5 on something, that meant you met this criteria and you're in great shape. Orange, we're still okay at 4. 3, we need to have a little caution in there. Red means we're going to have to go back and redo that. So let's try to stay in the green and the oranges. All right, so this slide just tells you of a reminder of what you have to do on what slides, okay? So in this particular slide deck, you're going to drag these red stars over to where these states are at the bottom. Okay, so the first one is Florida. So you would drag a star over to Florida. And then what you want to do after you drag the stars is you want to fill out, did you have more stars in the north or the south? All right, and so then you would put that on your paper right there, okay? Next up, you would do west versus east, and then another, this one has north, south, and west, east. And remember, you have to fill out this right here and this right here as well. Okay, but on your piece of paper. So this one is going to be looking at navigable waterways, which means you can navigate through them, and you're just using your cardinal directions. Okay. And then on this slide, what are 3 advantages to living near a body of water? Now, you can, if you want, to slide these over in your slide deck. That's fine. But remember, you can't do any of that if you don't go to it makes sure that it doesn't say view only up here, because when you add it to your drive, it shouldn't say view only, but if it does say view only, you're not going to be able to slide these over. So you can slide them over. Great. That's not a problem. It actually is helpful for you. Right here, it says slide 9, drag and drop the red terms into the correct blanks, but you also have to put the answers down on there. Okay. So you want to also put your answers on the paper about what are 3 advantages to living near a body of water, and then 2 advantages to living near a mountain range. And then on this one, if you'll notice when you click on it, it says click the map to see the list of the most populous states. You need to navigate to that website, and then you need to list the 5 most populous states. And then we're going to have some practice right here. You click on that, and you have to play. It says right here, click on the series of pictures and then choose any 2 games to play. Again, it's very important that you're reading the directions. Then once you get an 85% or better on each game that you play, you have to put a screenshot, and remember, we practiced that with our badges, in each of these, right? And then once you've added this to your drive, I have the ability to see that, but you are going to have to bring this paper copy back with you to class the next day. If you have any questions, please message me in Schoology.